assignment. So to,
सर वही असाइनमेंट का था वो क्लियर हो गया. हमने 5-6 आर्टिकल पढ़ने और फिर उसका रिव्यू करना है.
okay, but that is for assignment number 2. But today we are talking about the research hypothesis. Then what are the dependent variable or what are the independent variable that you are using for your case study or for conducting your hypothesis. Okay, so that's what we are actually doing in it. But it is based on your data literature review, that how you are extracting the question from each paper. Now first you do the summary. Now you are making the question from that summary.
Okay.
And then you are making together, and then it will be your case study when you will give the proof. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, Asif, Asif Mahmood, what is your question?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
My name is Aslam. सर आपने ग्रुप में पहले सेंड की थी असाइनमेंट नंबर 3 सर, वो थी अबाउट थीमेटिक मॉडल्स एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ असाइनमेंट.
That was the homework. That was not the assignment. Literature review was the assignment number 2, and now we are doing that is research hypothesis. That is assignment number 3.
सर रिव्यू लिखने के कोई 2-3 पॉइंट्स बता दें इम्पोर्टेंट.
In the first paragraph, try to explain the applications or the benefits in which your project is using. Okay, in paragraph number 2, explain your problem statement in very detail. What are the problem in that project. In the paragraph number 3, try to give the solution with respect to others authors, what they have done. And number 4, try to come closer to the solution, that what you are expecting to do. That's it. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
सर ये वाला होमवर्क था. व्हाट इज द थीमेटिक मॉडल, व्हाई you prefer to use in literature review?
Yeah, that was the assignment, but literature review was the assignment for the project.
सर ये आपने असाइनमेंट 3 दी थी, मैंने आपको ये करके
Yeah,
मेल की
but
थी.
that was for your coursework, right? We have two kind of assignment. One is for project and one is for the course.
Yes sir.
So that
sir,
one right now I give you, that is based on your project.
सर असाइनमेंट 3 आपने अभी डिटेल में सेंड की है, वो समझ आ गई. असाइनमेंट 2 फिर आपकी कौन सी है?
Literature review. Write the literature review for your
literature
project.
review.
Sir, please repeat.
Write the literature review for your project. That is assignment number 2 for your project. There is
अपने प्रोजेक्ट से रिलेटेड जो आपके आर्टिकल्स हैं ना, वो सर्च करने हैं, फिर उनको पढ़ना है और फिर उनको समराइज करना है सबको. और सर ने वो पॉइंट्स बताया ना 4, वो फॉलो करना है.
Or right now, on the basis of that paragraph or that problem statement, you need to make the question for which you are going to do the case study. जिसके लिए आप वो करना चाह रहे हो, you are proposing the case study.
Yes, assignment 3 कितना सर जो भी आप कह रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन उससे निकालना है जो.
That is for your project.
Okay.
चल गया ना.
So that is
अभी क्लिक करें शेयर स्क्रीन.
share screen. Okay.
ओके करें.
Okay.
अभी
So where is
इसको मिनिमाइज करें ना इस वाले को.
okay now.
अब नीचे आए. अभी मोर में जाएं.
More.
ये लिखा हुआ ना डिसेबल पार्टिसिपेंट एनोटेशन.
This one.
हाँ इसको क्लिक कर
Annotation.
दें.
Okay.
ये क्लिक कर देने का वो नहीं.
So today they make me too much trouble. Okay, Wajahat, do you have a question?
Sam?
Yeah, what is the question? Hello? Asif, you want to say something about assignment?
नहीं सर मुझे समझ आ गई. अभी आप ये हाइपोथेसिस वाला सर पढ़ाएंगे.
Yes, that hypothesis, what are the dependent or independent variable in your project? You need to write about it.
Okay, sir.
And now for the next one, who is here, Wajahat, any question? Wajahat Abbas, do you
सर
want
उस
to? Yes.
उसके माइक का इशू है सर, उसका माइक का इशू है।
Okay, he can write. If you have a mic problem, I can answer. Okay. Okay, I can see what is his. Okay, there is the. I can tell you from the chat room.
बता दिया सर ने, मैं वजह आपको बता दूंगा असाइनमेंट का, सर ने बता दिया।
So you people, you know, in the next time I will have a individual class for A and B. Okay, otherwise this is a very big issue.
Okay,
यस
sir.
सर, ये ठीक है।
So
Yes, sir.
assignment,
Separate ठीक है.
Wajahat, which kind of assignment? Assignment number 2 or 3? Which assignment you are talking about?
2
Three.
का पूछा सर, 2 का 2
So that is the summary of the 5 articles that you write for your project, closer to your project.
सर जो 5 आर्टिकल है फिर उसको रेफरेंस भी करना है,
Of course,
आखिरी पैराग्राफ में सब रेफरेंस देनी है उसकी,
yes,
प्रॉपर साइटेशन करनी है। ठीक है सर।
yes. And then you know, you need to make a hypothesis on the basis of your research problem. Your hypothesis must be closer to your problem, otherwise it will not help you.
ओके
Yes, from to next week I will not take a combined class. I also understand it is very difficult. I will keep it separate time for both the classes. Same timetable but
ओके सर,
different time. Half class for A, half class for B. That would be better.
Okay,
यस
sir.
सर, ये ज्यादा
Thank you.
बेटर,
Yeah, that would be
शुड बी
better. Then I
बेटर।
can know where is the problem.
Yes.
Anyone else who want to discuss with me?
आ गया सर, समझ आ गया, अभी असाइनमेंट
So you
समझ
know
आ गया।
today today we have
ग्रुप में सर
a
मैसेज करता हूँ
today we
ताकि
have.
और भी ज्वाइन कर लें।
Okay, you know, today we discuss about the research hypothesis, which is extracting from the research problem. And we say that hypothesis is based on prediction and description. You know, prediction is an independent variable and description is a dependent variable. That how you are making the relation between them, right? You know, some student ask me that how we can determine the independent and dependent variable. Actually, that independent variable is the cause, effect, or any issue that you are highlighting in your problem. That is an independent variable. Okay. Then what you are expecting to come the outcome, that is the dependent variable. We come to know that you know dependent variable is depending on the independent variable for the outcome. Clear?
ये
Yes,
किसी
sir.
का माइक सर, आप ये माइक से बहुत आवाज आ रही है, बंद कर
Yeah,
देना
it's not
माइक
my
किसी का।
one. I don't know who have this problem. That's why I want to keep all the time. Okay, maybe if have no
कर दिया
question.
उसने, बंद कर दिया,
Yeah.
हो गया।
Hello, Momina. Do you have any question? Hello. So once again, I want to say that you are dependent. You are
सर काइंडली मिड पेपर का बता दें सर।
for the midterm. Okay, I will answer you later about the midterm to share the information in the group. Okay, because we have meeting
ओके
after 20 minutes. Then I will discuss with you about it. Any other questions? But the next week we will have a separate classes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
यस
Thank
सर।
you.
सर
Any other who have a
सर काइंडली
you
ये
have
बता
any
दें कि
question?
पेपर मिलेगी मिड में।
Anyone who have a question? So I'm repeating once again that your research hypothesis
हेलो
based
सर।
on your research problem.
हेलो
Do not do any separate
सर काइंडली
topic.
बता
Go
दें
for the same project. Yes.
आप डिस्टर्ब ना करो।
Any other question?
सर पढ़ा
सर जो हमने ऑलरेडी सबमिट करा दी है असाइनमेंट
Okay.
जो थीमेटिक मॉडल की थी, तो अब वो नहीं करानी है?
That you should be submit already, but assignment number 3 is the research hypothesis. That how you are extracting the question from the research problem now. In
सर
which
सर
what
वो
you,
होमवर्क था, वो असाइनमेंट नहीं थी
yes, that
थर्मेटिक
was the
वाली जो
homework,
आपने
was not the assignment.
थीमेटिक मॉडल नहीं थे, आपने जो होमवर्क किया था वो हमारे पास 5 वो थे रिसर्च आर्टिकल जिनकी समरी लिखनी थी। मतलब फिर आपने जो ग्रुप के अंदर पेश किया था उसमें आपने
Okay.
असाइनमेंट का लिख कर किया था जो हमने देनी थी थीमेटिक मॉडल के ऊपर, जो मैंने आपको आई थिंक कल सबमिट करा दी थी।
Yes,
अब ये
Mohammed,
हमारी
you
बेसिकली
know,
4th असाइनमेंट होनी चाहिए।
one was your for course and one was for your project. So that literature review, 5 articles, summary was your semester project.
Hello, sir. Sir.
Clear?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
सर
Hello, sir. Sir.
सर सर असाइनमेंट में
Sir, I have
कंफ्यूज
a
हो गया हूँ
question.
मैं।
I have a
आप सर
question,
आप कह रहे हैं कि
Question.
रिसर्च
Yes, sir.
आर्टिकल वाली है।
What? You need to do all the assignment and send to me, that's all. But you know, I
Okay,
give you
sir.
literature review. That literature review is a part of your project.
या असाइनमेंट 2 है ये लिटरेचर रिव्यू।
Yes, or you need to add that assignment number 2 in the template which I already shared you yesterday in the group. Clear?
ओके सर, क्लियर।
So anyone else who want to discuss with me about it again? जिसको अभी तक clear नहीं है, anyone?
क्लियर है सर, कैरी ऑन।
Okay, the once again your research hypothesis is based on your research problem. That is not something new. That is the question which you want to conduct the study for it. Okay, that's what is it. A research problem. Your research hypothesis must be based on your research problem, and research problem is your problem statement about your FYP, about your semester project. Is it clear?
यस
Yes, sir.
Anyone else who want to have any question? Because we have just like 5 minutes. And we will be have a separate classes from the next week. I don't want to combine classes for both the sections.
सर असाइनमेंट टू जो आपने टेम्पलेट सेंड किया बिल्कुल उसी तरह बना के।
That is not assignment. You know, the template is for your complete project, but assignment number 2, you should add in the literature review in the template. That's it. In all the assignments are group assignments. Okay, it's not individual assignments.
ओके, ग्रुप ऑफ 3।
Yeah, it's all assignments are the group assignments.
ओके सर, क्लियर हो गया सर।
Okay, anyone else? Kiran, do you have any question? Doa, any question? Sir, mid के बारे में बता दें. I'm not sure about the mid. I will answer you after, but it is gonna get to start from 13 after April. But I will answer you about how we will conduct it. I will update it later in the group.
सर जो लेक्चर हमने आज पढ़ा है पहले वो सारा मैस अप हो गया जो जब
Yeah, I
आपने
will
पहले
repeat.
पढ़ाया था।
Yes, I can understand this. If you people have tomorrow time, I will revise it, or in the next week separately. It's up to you.
ठीक है सर।
I will revise
Yes,
it
sir. But
today because I know it's all messed up. I can understand it.
yes.
So, any other queries for today from this class?
No sir.
So you are clear.
No,
about,
sir.
You are clear about the assignment, and people are clear about the template. You know, whenever I give
Yes sir.
Yeah.
whenever I give you the project assignment, you need to add it in the template. Okay, when it's finished, it will be a complete template or one complete project. Okay.
ठीक है सर।
So until the midterm, we will only cover until the research hypothesis. So I will have a one lecture on the research hypothesis, and after that we will not go for that one. Then we will continue after the midterm. Okay.
Okay sir.
So okay, thank you so much for stay with me. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
sir. Allah Hafiz.